So you want to enjoy correct Naija soup without the hassle of going from this place to this place looking for ingredients. All you have to do is grab a pack of this product by Navina Foods and you're good to go. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby. So in this video I'll be showing you an amazing product I just found out about, and this product is perfect for busy moms. You come back from work, you're exhausted, but you still want to make something very nice for your family. All you need to do is grab a pack of this and you're good to go. So it says classic Naija soup with stockfish and dry catfish, and this particular one I'm holding is the bitter leaf soup ingredient pack, and it is by Navina Foods. All the information is going to be in the description box, so don't forget to check them out. They have all the amazing varieties. They have Banga Soup, they have egusi soup, they have Ogbono. Please just name it. And guess what? If you're the type that likes to travel but you still like to enjoy Naija soup wherever you go, all you have to do is get the pack for 2 servings and you're good to go. Everything is right inside the box. You do not need any. So I'll be showing you all the ingredients in this particular box. I'll be showing you the way it was packed, and I'll be showing you the cooking process as well. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave your comments down below, and also check out Navina Foods. I'll leave all the information in the description box. I'll see you in the video. Bye for now. I just opened it, brought out the product, and decided to show you guys one by one. Palm oil, dried catfish, cocoyam flour, bitter leaf spice premix, stockfish, and you have 2 packs of the dried bitter leaf in the box as well. So this is what the front of the box looks like, and at the back it has the directions on how to cook this particular soup, the step-by-step process, so you do not have to worry about it being your first time or anything. Everything is written at the back on how to cook the soup. And like I said before, this particular box is for 8 servings. The first step is to open your bitter leaf, put it in a plastic and add boiling water into it. Because the leaf has been dried already, you want to add hot water into it to make it soft again. The next step is to place a small pot on your stove, add water into it. Once the water gets hot, you pour in your cocoyam flour into it and continue to stir till it gets to this particular texture. So once it has gotten to that, you place that aside and place a bigger pot on your stove, add water into it. If you're using assorted beef, you can boil that, then add in your dry catfish and your stockfish into the boiling beef. But if you're not doing that like I did in my own video, you can just put water in the pot, add your catfish and your stockfish and put the bitter leaf spice into it, allow that to boil, then add your bitter leaf, rinse your bitter leaf, then add it into the pot, cover it and let it boil. Then after it boils for like about 10 minutes, you add in your palm oil into it. I added Cameroon pepper and salt into mine and I allowed it to boil for a little bit, then added my cocoyam flour paste into it. I didn't stir it after I added the cocoyam flour paste into it. I just covered it and allowed it to melt by itself. So I allowed it to simmer for a few minutes, and this is the result. It was so delicious. If you don't like your soup really thick, you can add in more water to loosen it up a little bit. And that's it. Very easy, very straightforward. This was my first time of actually making bitter leaf soup, and it was easy for me because I followed the description at the back of the box. So that's the same thing you have to do. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to check out Navina Foods, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.